Ang rabbit ay isa sa mga blank palate meat, kung saan nakaka-absorb ito ng different flavors from any ingredients that you want to layer it with. Dito sa Robbie Rabbit Tree nagtipon-tipon ang Farmers United Rabbit Grower Association of the Philippines, o FERGAP. And one of them is Irene Triffitt, who shares her cooking experience with rabbit meat.
In reality, medyo matigas ang hindi naman ganun katigas pero medyo hindi ganun kalambot yung rabbit. So usually, we boil them first and then medyo pinapalambot na rin yung rabbit.
Now that we know how rabbits can be both delicious and healthy, tuturuan tayo ng FERGAP how to cook rabbit meat na swak sa panlasa ng mga Pinoy. First off the bunch is Irene and her favorite rabbit dish, the Carnejo Curry. In cooking Carnejo Curry, first you should put oil in the palayok. After putting the oil, saute the garlic and the onions. Ilagay ang ginger and after that the rabbit meat. Maglagay ng rabbit stock mula sa pinakuloang rabbit meat rather than MSG to make sure na healthy ang food. While waiting for it to boil, chop kaffir leaves. Then add the lemongrass. Ilagay ang pepper, rock salt, cocoa sugar at curry powder at haluin ito. You can add fish sauce to add more flavor to it. While waiting for it to boil, slice the eggplant and put it in the pot. Pour the coconut milk, then simmer. After a few minutes, your Carnejo Curry is now ready.
Meron na tayong very healthy meal para sa ating family.
The second recipe is the Carnejo sa dilaw. Una, maglagay ng konting oil sa isang preheated na kaldero. Pagkatapos, ilagay ang sibuyas, bawang, luya, at ang main ingredient na turmeric powder na nagbibigay ng distinct color sa adobo sa Carnejo sa dilaw. Haluin ng kaunti. Pagkatapos, ay ilagay ang rabbit meat na pre-boiled and marinated sa suka, asin at pepper. Haluin ito na mabuti para lalong lumasa ang rabbit meat. Maaari ka ring maglagay ng extra turmeric powder. Maghintay ng ilang minutes at maglagay ng konting tubig. Lagyan din ito ng konting pepper, salt, cocoa sugar, at suka. Haluin ito hanggang manuot ang lasa sa laman.
Ito na yung dish natin, adobong Carnejo sa dilaw, paired with black rice and blue rice.
The last recipe that we are going to share to you is the breaded Carnejo. Lagyan ng garlic, salt, paminta, at Thai coriander ang rabbit meat at pagkatapos haluin ito upang ma-absorb ng meat. Pagkatapos ay ilagay ang katas ng dayap o suka. Sa isang separate container, maghalo ng 3 itlog na magsisilbing bonding agent ng rabbit meat at ng flour. Isawsaw ang rabbit meat sa itlog at balutin ng flour. Pagkatapos, pwede na itong iprito sa preheated na mantika.
Ito na po ang niluto nating breaded Carnejo with blue rice.
Nutritious food should always be the top priority of every Filipino. That's why rabbit meat is an option for food source na masarap na, healthy pa.